Okay, yard fanatics, look, not gonna be a long video, but you know, I was at Home Depot today and I picked this thing up right here. All right, I'm really interested in using it. All right, and I really don't want to show you my other one. Oh, but look at it, and it's a Weber. I beat this thing up, man. I had this probably about 2 years, maybe 3. It's rusted out. It's time for a new one, all right? So, and this one is actually heavier than that one right there. All right, let me sit this down. But I don't remember if I did a video or not, but I did had a little haul where I went to Walmart and they was giving that barbecue grill stuff away for free. I think I paid like $5 for that. I got that at Home Depot. I think I paid $2 for that. And I got some other stuff. Let me show you. And like I said, you know, BYD don't like throw away nothing. I've had this grill for probably 22 years. And I like to keep it. Sorry, y'all, my allergies are messing up. But I think I got that wire scrub brush for $2. And this thing right here is awesome. And that's the charcoal pusher. You know how you be trying to figure out how to get that charcoal to spread? This thing is awesome. Paid a couple of bucks for this. But guys, this video is really about this charcoal starter, man. And I just want to see how good it works. I promise you, this will not be a 20-minute video, guys. Just a little fun video I like to throw out every now and then. Probably won't get a lot of hits, but you're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, yard fanatics. Look, before I start, let me show you what I'm using as a lighting source. You see that little cube? You basically just light it. Non-toxic, and it'll get your charcoals going, all right? Let me go ahead and put this here. And like I said, I'm not going to be speedy, but I'm going to try to go fast. And like I said, before you get this thing, make sure you take that paper off or you set yourself on fire. We're going to pull that off. Easy to come off. Man, I'm about to use this thing. So look, I don't have my barbecue gloves on or my apron, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Now, you see I got it in there. Sometimes you gotta get it so to kind of stand itself up, so I'll prop it up like that. Look, I go with 2 different kinds of charcoal. Remember, I got that stuff on sale today. All right, so we're gonna go with a little bit of match light. I'm not cooking anything that's gonna be heavy as far as cooking. Hey, hold on for a second. Now, I think I did something wrong. Let's see what I did wrong. Oh. Okay. Now, you see this right here? You're gonna have to pull this part over. You push it in, my fault. Push that part in, then put it down. Now what that does is keep the charcoal from falling out when you put it down in there. You see mine fell out. So I don't want to use my hand, so let me pause this thing. Man, using my hand a little bit anyway, but let's go ahead and put some in. I'll put a little bit in there. I'm gonna pour just a little bit more in there. All right, then we're gonna come back. Like my man said, guess I gotta get some Royal Oak. Can you see that? Royal Oak, all right. Not a sponsor, guys. Just having a little fun out here. All right. I'm gonna put a few in there. And look, everybody got their own methods. You know, some people don't use starters, but however you do it, have fun doing it. All right. We're gonna put a little bit more match light in there. All right, we're good. Okay, look guys, I got one Scriptos right there. Lighter. This thing got some holes in it. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and bring the camera down here. You can see that little white cube right in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and light it. All right, look at that. Already flames and came up through there. See that? So we're gonna sit here and we're gonna wait about 15 minutes and we'll come back and we'll see how this thing works out, because like I said, I'm really interested in me pulling that lever and just watching it fall. And I got my briquette mover so I can move it back and forth. All right, and like I said, guys, I'm racing daylight. It's already 8. What time is it? I'll show you. Let's see. Come on, watch. Apple Watch acting up, y'all. Hold on. 8:31. I don't know if you can see that. All right. So we're gonna come back in about 10 or 15 minutes, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, guys. 1 minute later, and I have an inferno. All right, I'll check back. We need this thing to ash down something before we actually let it fall down. All right. So I'll be right back. Okay, yard fanatics. It's been about 15 minutes, and look, I'm racing daylight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Like I said, I don't have my barbecue gloves on, so you're about to. I hope my wife don't see me out here with her mitt, but I gotta use something. Look, I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna pull that handle, and hopefully you can see that stuff fall out. So here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got that part up. All right, I'm finna do this handle thing, and it's warm too. So let's see. Well, was that a fail? I think it was a fail, y'all. God, dog. Okay, I'm pulling the thing down, but they're not coming out. Oh, there they go. Okay, you got to give it a little shake, guys. I didn't give it no shake. Look on there. All right, I'm gonna push that handle back. Yeah, I didn't shake it. I guess that's what's supposed to happen, but I got it down. It's handy. You know, I'm embarrassed. So let me spray the charcoal. Okay, I got the charcoal rake. You see it. And you basically just let me let you get in there. Just spread it how you want to. So I'm gonna barbecue on this side, and then I'll move it to this side once stuff gets done. But I'm gonna try to cook it on one tray, and I'll show you in just a second. All right. Ooh, that's hot. God almighty. All right. So let me show you what we got going on. All right. Okay, you are fanatics. Like magic, I'm back, and what we got there is that's for me and BYD Jr. 2 bacon, cheddar, 100% beef, Angus beef burgers. Then we got chicken kebabs right there. All right. And we got the Boars Heads, uncured beef Frankfurters. All right, I'm gonna hold off on putting these on because you know hot dogs don't take that long to cook, so no need to throw these on right now. But as far as the where did it go? As far as this, that's what you get sometimes when you do it live. It don't never go the way you want it to go, man. You know, it's my first time using it, so I know next time when I pull that thing, I gotta shake it hard to get the stuff to fall down. I like that. All right, tune into Bermuda Grass Central. Cooking on the grill. Fun time. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.